Hi guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use Excel for project management in under 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Best use cases for Excel project management. Excel tools aren't specifically designed for project management like some software, but it will handle a lot of tasks associated with mapping out the project scope, handling the financials, and managing day-to-day tasks. Here are the few specific ways Excel templates will help with project planning. So now, if we open up Excel, and as you can see here in the main, you can search online templates. So let's type project. So as you can see, it searches different templates that use for project management, like this one, Gantt Project Planner. This Gantt chart Excel template makes for a perfect project planner, allowing you to track, synchronize the activities of a project based on a long-standing Gantt chart model. This project planning template Excel uses as a simple visual representation to show how a project will be managed over time. You can enter the start dates, duration, and current status of each task and share them with your team to keep task owner accountable. And also this milestone infographic timeline. You can track up to 5 milestones of your product or project's development with a premium milestone infographic timeline template. This customizable Excel infographic timeline template chart progress over any period of time. We have also here business budget. Keep the track of your business budget with this accessible Excel template with typical business categories and chart of your budget summary. This business budget template summarizes your company income and expenses, compares projected and actual spending, helps you track personal and more. We have also marketing project planner. You can use this marketing project planner template to track deliverables of marketing projects to owners as well as date and cost. This marketing project planner template is adaptable for any type of project and collaboration. This is an accessible marketing project planning template. And as you can see, there's a lot more templates that can be used for project management. So you just need to explore it and just learn, and if you press one of the template, there will be a guide inside. So that's it. That's how you use Excel for project management. So I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!